Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your Zoom background is not working. So go to like a new meeting first on your own and join with computer audio, and if the background's not there, make sure your video is on. Then go here and then go to adjust background and effects and select one from these first, or you can just select none. If you want to upload your own background, you're going to press the plus button, add image or add a video, and you're going to select from any of your pictures or a video. Sorry. I'm just gonna like select one here, and that's pretty much it really. If you have a green screen, you can also enable that, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to turn it off. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.